Alright, so, conscious. Shit getting crazy, y'all. Shit getting crazy. Here we go. Lucid dreams, so I can't be out here living stupid. I love hard, so you could say I was shot by Cupid. Say less, but every now and then I drop my 2 cents. Tunnel vision, cause niggas could really be a nuisance. ISO, yeah, you know we be the fucking movement. Don't ask what we doing, just know we always keep it moving. Watch out for intruders, still a student to the game. You don't see me rocking chains, cause I think that shit is lame. All my brothers getting slain from the police, blood stains leaking on the concrete. All my aunties always warn me to stay up off the street, cause these niggas tucking heat. Yeah, the feeling of defeat, nigga.
And constantly finding ways to level up my mind state. Ain't no justice for us, you could peep it in the crime rate. I left behind all those trying to set me up like a blind date. That duo sizzle just like a hot plate. Zooming on the Jackie like we got weight. I mean it's just a few grams, but I got faith, cause I was born an interfaith. Tell them plug me in like the interface. Speakers blasted, shake the flowers in the vase. Learning to break out of my commonplace. Still trying to be, so I let common play. They calling me Illmatic, I'm the modern day. Wanna go toe to toe, tell them I'm delayed. Mommy go E-I, how Nelly say it. Uh-oh, this flow here cutthroat. I just reload while they upload. Tell them that merch coming in by the truckload. Gotta do this to the utmost. Run it up like Usain till they unbolt. You won't really learn till you sit down, be humble. Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good. Fake niggas in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. Came up from the dirt, yeah we popping out. It's our yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We been dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. Ayy, tried to play me back then, but you learning now. Do not play with fire, you be burning out. It's like butter, baby butter when I churn it out. They gon' talk behind your back until you turn around. 360, I'm on preheat, I be baking all the good. Chef Curry hit my shimmy, throw it up at half court. Tryna beat me, bet you can't, you would do it if you could. ISO to the indies, now you got it understood. Yeah, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good. Fake niggas in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. Came up from the dirt, yeah we popping out. It's our yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We been dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah.
Crashing the pond on the marble floor. Yeah, put up that sign I read love and joy. Yeah, I want more, yeah, she want more. Ornaments roll to the flashing lights. She only will hit to a certain song. Her channel is orange, white flannel thong. Come tag along, come tag along. Crash, love lost in a man. Look left, tiptoe to the fan. Scream, take off in the jam. Skid out, crash now. Got a chance. 15 on the blue man. Brain dance with a finger on the trigger. 8 chance if we playing on the bill. Same 10 if you standing on the pillar.
Sit it right. We took it deep down in the club. Took a juice stand, set it right.
all matte black. Minutes with a 4-5 patch, leather with a gold chain rack. Tempted by my own black, won't catch her with an all gold mask. But she ain't with running away, opposite of playing cool. Feet up on that 80 dash, move them off into the pool. Give him signs to play a fool, cause she is the queen. She kinda got a misery, follow her lead. Live in the system to dye your hair green. Part of my ease, buy you relief. Fish out of water, I'm dying slowly. I guess I will kick it when summer is eve. No dirt, no more sweat, I be treading lightly. You gotta be patient so you can mind me. Peace.
Set it and ride. We took it deep down, minute to climb. We took a true stand, set it and ride.
Give it up for crash play. All she want is crash play. She living in that crash play. I want some of that crash play. I see black kings that push down on my well. Every day stay black to white out my mouth. I see bouquets in that water, stains that's been falling to you.
Yo, less ego and more soul. Trying to make it clear like a sore throat. They too concerned about my wardrobe, but they going broke. We been praying for it, only Lord knows. Just got an invoice, shit had about 4 O's. Pick the locks when the doors close. Nigga, this is my house, fuck a foreclose. We staying in control, fuck the hormones. Come outside the hood, look like a war zone. Come first, my niggas check everything, watch your jawbone. Back then they used to call her jawbone. We was little freaks watching porno, going crazy with the hormones. Now we paying car notes, lighting up like charcoals. Lost a couple homies, but I meet them at the crossroads. Ice on the hoodies, gotta ship them out like cargo. Back in high school, rock the polo with the cargos. Take a trip to Dad, Grandma Ursi had the car for. I need like 6 rings like the Bulls in Chicago.
Yeah, cause we be out here 3-peating. Pumping fan, they hard, you can hear it beating. Schooling all them and we still teaching. Wanna talk biz, we can set the meeting. Lighters up, yeah, we still chiefing. You be lucky if you still breathing. Always think before you start speaking. With yourself, you be still beefing. Cause they ain't real, they just real misleading. Trying to read me, but you misreading.
Yeah, we in the bunker, rolling up some skunk up, laying down tracks, you can hear the hunger. They ain't for the culture, they all vultures, they all vulgar. We need structure for these youngsters, they all pumped up, pushing dumpsters. See a cop and rush them, we need change, but we all flustered.
It been this way since they call us color. For about 10 summers, DJ Mustard, the revolution still loading like it got a buffer. Now we gotta wear a mask to keep our face covered, and they shooting us with bullets that's rubber. We gotta be the keeper for our brother. How we supposed to come together? It's families that can't recover. Still in mourning while we gotta suffer. This the beginning till we see another.
Hating on me, don't stop. Only help a real cause. Hood legend on some pocket. Manifested till I'm living large. Highballing cause the sky falling. I'ma catch a little piece though. I ain't worried about your little no, she easy as a free throw. She wanna hold me like ransom. Just cause I'm young and I'm handsome. Tell all these to have a seat. I know that they cannot stand them. Burn it and roll me another one. I do whatever I feel like. I remember when we dreamed about it. Woke up this morning, it's real life. Trade the whip, trade the currency. Moving like it's an emergency. We gotta check out, it's close to 11. So baby, ride it with some urgency. I'm just here for the fun part, cause I'm good on the money part. I be leaving in the cold season, coming back for the sunny part. With us and get your money up. With us and get your wig split. Ever since I was a little boy, I've been plotting on the big. Bigger pockets, bigger resume. When you keep it, really resonate. If he really want it, never hesitate. If he mad at me, better meditate. You ain't gotta like it, you just gotta live with it. Never gave us nothing. Look at what we did with it. In a foreign city, moving like I live in it. Never call them back. Bet you that they still with it. You ain't gotta like it, nah, you just gotta live with it. Never gave us nothing. Look at what we did with it. In a foreign city, yeah, moving like I live in it. Never call them back. Nah, I bet you that they still with it. Never had a thing running to my hamstring, cramping up. Moving like a campaign, smooth it with the plantain, damper up. Vegan baby with the yoga mat. Argue but you know we over that. Blow me up so I can blow it back. She can't argue with the way I'm poking that. Pockets poking, I've been proud and got a recollection like it's Pokemon. If you could refrain from talking to me till my stomach full and all the smoke is gone. Pink Moscato, I'ma keep the bottle. I'ma need to know it's tight to get again. If she sock it to me, I can bet you she won't never wanna let you hit again. Flight out to Decatur where it's greater. Business trip, I'm about to get it in. If it's about some money, leave a message. I might find the time to fit it in. Fitting in for the sheep herd. Weird out here making waves. Punch a boss before I punch a clock. I ain't out here living like a slave. Country bunking from the middle mat. Catch me somewhere in the show me something.